This will be a speed test between the Google Pixel 4 XL versus the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now the Pixel 4 XL, this one has the Snapdragon 855 with 6 gigs of RAM. This being a Pixel always on the latest version of Android, which is Android 10. The OnePlus 7 Pro, this one also has the Snapdragon 855, 8 gigs of RAM on this bad chicken. Unfortunately, this one is still on Android 9 as of this video with its latest version of the Oxygen OS overlay. So let's go ahead and turn on both at the same time, see which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. Oh, the Pixel boots up hella fast. Nice. We'll just go ahead and wait for the OnePlus. As you can see, phone is starting. And we are in. Let's go ahead and swipe over to where all the apps are. And as you can see, no recent items in the background. All apps and caches, browsers have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. Maybe that was a draw. Messages. Another draw maybe. And then we'll go ahead and open the camera. Now this is where the Pixel 4 XLs, as far as the picture quality on the still photography with its camera and the Google machine learning, etc. And then let's go ahead and see which one opens faster. Give that one to the Pixel, I think. And then let's go ahead and open the clock on both phones. Ooh, Pixel is very fast today. So you can see, turn on the stopwatch and then we'll just leave it there. Chrome on both phones. And let's see, ooh, that dark mode on Chrome looks very nice. Look at that. I dig it. All right, let's go ahead and do a search for OnePlus 7T. There you go. Very close, identical performance. And then let's see, let's go ahead and we'll click on this one. Take us to the OnePlus site. Ooh, nice and smooth. And then doesn't work. And it doesn't work on either phone, the pinching, but let's go ahead and just scroll through this. Nice and fast on both phones. 90 Hertz display on both. So you can see, whoo, that is lightning quick. All right, let's do a search for the Pixel now. Okay, identical performance. And then let's see, what can I click on? Let's click on one of these articles on the phone. Android Central. Let's see, can I find it on here? Yup, there it is, go. And, ooh, I think the Pixel 4, the ad came up first on this one. We'll scroll again. So you can see nice and fast on both phones with its 90 Hertz display. And let's see, let's go to an area where there's like pictures right here. And then we'll do the same thing on the OnePlus. We'll just do it here and then we'll pin, nope, it does not work again. All right, we'll go to one more. I want to test out the pinching. So let's go ahead and go to a website. I know it'll work, GSM Arena. Whoops. And then let's see. Ooh, the Pixel 4 again. These ads came up first and it still doesn't work. Wow, what is going on here? Okay, we'll go to the desktop version. And then, oh, I think that one was the 7 Pro. Now it works, okay? Nice and smooth on the 7 Pro with its 90 Hertz display. And do the same thing on the Pixel. And again, nice and smooth. Also has a 90 Hertz display. Yeah, very nice. Calculator. You guys are the judges on that one. Play Store. Ooh, a little bit faster on the 7T or the 7 Pro on that. Quick side note, I am digging this brand new dark mode Google Play. I mean, look at this. Very nice. Dark mode for the win. Okay, let's do a search for my favorite app, which is this one. Right here, and I'm gonna click on, oh, what happened there? It didn't do it. I clicked on the wrong thing. All right, here we go. Click on that one, and I'm gonna install this. Real talk? Hell no. Leave it there. Amazon. Oh, very identical performance. Whoops, mistouch. Okay, take this one with a grain of salt, but then we'll click on this one at the same time. Ooh, Pixel is nice and fast today, I'm telling you. And ooh, maybe the Pixel again on that one. Slow down the video for me. Click on this. Oh, I think OnePlus would have come back on that one. And then we'll go ahead and check out the Mario run. I think the, yep, OnePlus is ahead. We'll tap to begin. Oh, but the Pixel was faster running the game. Interesting. Mario time, Temple Run 2. Check this one out as well. Loading on both phones. Oh, 7 Pro's ahead, as you can see. And then we'll tap to play. And then this one, Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both. Ooh, neck and neck. Which one's gonna be quicker? Oh, the Pixel 4 XL out in front. Oh, and give the win to the Pixel on this. I'm telling you, Pixel's running good today. I don't know if it's because it has 6 gigs of RAM now or what, but yeah, very nice performance thus far. We'll check this one out. Asphalt 9 on both phones. And let's see. Oh, 7 Pro out in front. Will the 4 XL catch up? Nope. We'll give the win to the 7 Pro on this. OnePlus with the comeback. So you can see. And then we'll go ahead and check out the PUBG mandatory game to check out for this video. Gotta check out the PUBG, right? There we go. I think the OnePlus is gonna win this, but you never know. Loading already on the OnePlus. Ooh, will the Pixel catch it? Nope. Give the win to the 7 Pro on this, so you can see. Go ahead, get rid of that, and then go back home. And then we do have the Adobe Photoshop on both phones. And then get rid of that, and then let's see, it's this one. This is an 8K image I have on both phones. Click on Charm 3. Click on that, and then we'll jack this filter up all the way. Click this. Nice and fast on both. Okay, I'm gonna save to the gallery, see which one does it faster. Whoops, missed touch. Take this one with a grain of salt. Give you a rough idea of the performance. 7 Pro a little bit faster on that one. Instagram, Thai, WhatsApp. 7 Pro by a little bit on that one. Snapchat, 7 Pro. Let's go ahead and take a look at the multitasking on both phones. Super smooth on the app switching here with its 90Hz displays, as you can see. Now, the OnePlus has 8 gigs of RAM, so I do not see any issues with the RAM management on this phone. And the Pixel 4 XL this year, it has 6 gigs of RAM now. So let's see how that performs. I think last year's Pixel 3 XL only had 4 gigs, and I think it held it back. But now this year with the 6 gigs, I think has, like, this phone needs 6 gigs of RAM. As you can see, no reloads yet. So looking good so far. And then we'll go ahead and check out the Angry Birds on both phones. Oh, a little bit faster on the Pixel there actually. Nice. And then Temple Run pause and ready to resume on both phones. And then the Mario run. Mario time on both. That's for sure. eBay, same place on both. So you can see the Pixel here with its 6 gigs of RAM, much improved performance from last year. As you can see, it's keeping everything in RAM for the most part. Clock, I have not seen any big stutters yet. And then the camera, we'll do it like this. Okay, a little bit faster on the OnePlus on that one. And then messages, a little bit faster on the OnePlus, and finally, the phone app, faster on the 7 Pro. Boom! So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you on hashtag Team Pixel? If we have the Google Pixel 3 or 3 XL from last year, or 3A from earlier this year, Pixel 2, the original Pixel, or even a Nexus 6P, are you gonna switch to the Pixel 4 XL? Or are you on Team OnePlus, rocking your OnePlus 7 Pro? Are you gonna upgrade to the upcoming OnePlus 7T Pro or the OnePlus 7T? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.